There we go. Now I can get you this time, ass.
Hi, buddy. There must be something in the ground. Well, we're gonna name you George.
George?
Yep. That's his name.
Okay.
You're a pretty bird.
Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
What are you walking closer to me for? What are you doing? You got a problem? You got a problem? You got a problem?
Oh shit, there's a car!
Bye, George.
There must be something there that you really want.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Watch out for seagull poop. Or dive bombing.
I think George is coming back.
Think so?
Yeah, he's right there.
Now we're just waiting for that pink seagull that Cheyenne got, you know, for the girl. Whoops. Oh, sure enough, he really wants something right here.
And I can tell it's the same one because he's just coming right here.
Whatever that is, right there, that little brown spot, whatever it is, he wants it.
What are you doing? You got a problem?
Whatever it is, he's super determined.
Oh yeah.
Back around he goes. Watch out. Hey, George. No, he's not by. He's coming back. Hey, George. I think we're irritating him. We're stopping him from enjoying his food. Or she's waiting to shit on one of us. I'm not sure which one. Nothing like that. No, no, no. You're not gonna shit on my head. No, so. I'm having a seagull shit on my head.
Oh, I think he's finally gone.
Maybe he gave up. We'll go zoom in and see what he's trying to eat.
Looks like some sort of dried up sticky stuff. I don't know. Like a candy or something.
Maybe.
Oh, that's probably him.
There's George.
Bye, George.
I think he gave up.